In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Groups with Gmail, eliminating the need for contact labels. This approach streamlines your emailing process, allowing you to communicate with multiple people effortlessly. So let's dive in and explore the steps to make this work smoothly. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Google Groups website. Google Groups offers a powerful way to organize and manage your contacts, making it easier to email a group of people all at once. Once you're on the site, your next step is to look for the option to create a new group, which is typically prominently displayed on the homepage for easy access. Now comes the fun part, naming your group. Choose a name that is both distinctive and memorable, as this will also double as the group's email address. For example, you might choose something straightforward like mygroup@googlegroups.com. This becomes the primary identifier for your group, so make sure it's clear and appropriate for the purpose it serves. After selecting a name, move on to the next part by simply clicking the Next button. Here, you'll set up your group settings, which are crucial for managing how your group interacts. You'll decide on aspects such as who can see your group, who can join, and who can post messages. These settings help tailor the group to fit your needs, ensuring control over who communicates and how interactions are handled. With your settings configured, it's time to add members. This step lets you include the contacts who will be part of this group. You can add them by inviting their email addresses, they'll receive notifications and can join easily. Once your list of members is complete and you're satisfied with your setup and settings, click Create Group to finalize everything. Next, let's shift our focus to Gmail, where you'll actually send emails with this newly created group. Start by opening Gmail and clicking on the Compose button to draft a new email. In the To field, type in the email address of your Google group, the one you just created. It's as easy as entering the group's identifier, such as mygroup@googlegroups.com. After that, proceed to write your email message as you normally would. It's just like writing any other email, but knowing that your message will now reach everyone in the group simultaneously. This saves time and ensures that all members are receiving the same information. Once you're satisfied with the content of your email, hit the Send button and voila! Your email will be sent to everyone in your Google group. And there you have it. This method not only streamlines your communication process, but also helps keep your emails organized by using Google Groups in tandem with Gmail. I hope you find this guide helpful and that it makes your emailing experience more efficient and organized. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.